of you. Now we will discuss the exercise second of chapter expansion. First of all, we have to discuss all the formula of the expansion. First formula already, formula number 8 already we discussed in last exercise. So we have to revise formula number 1 to 8. A plus b whole square, a square plus b square plus 2ab. A minus b whole square, a square plus b square minus 2ab. On adding formula number 1 and 2, a plus b whole square plus a minus b square, a square and a square 2a square, b square and b square 2b square, 2ab and plus minus 2ab cancel, 2 taken as the common. Now on subtracting the formula number 1 and 2, then a plus b whole square minus a minus b square, on subtracting sign change, this plus convert into minus, plus minus cancel, this plus convert into minus, plus minus cancel, or this plus minus convert into plus, then 2ab forward. A plus 1 upon a whole square plus at the place of a is, and at the place of b 1 upon a square plus 1 upon a square, b square at the place of a, we have to put at the place of a at the place of b 1 upon a square, b square 1 upon a square, 1 upon a square 2a into 1 upon a and a cancel 2. Similarly, a minus 1 whole square. Similarly, on adding 6 and 7, then a square 2a square, 1 upon 2 upon a square plus minus 2 cancel. 7, 6 and on subtracting 6 and 7, this convert into minus, plus minus cancel, this convert into minus, plus minus cancel, this convert into plus 2 and 2, 4. First exercise second, a plus b whole q is aq plus bq, 3ab into a plus b. A minus b whole q, aq minus bq minus 3ab, a minus b. And aq plus bq is equals to a plus b, a square minus ab plus b square, aq minus bq, a minus b a square plus ab plus b square. A plus 1 whole q, aq plus 1 upon a whole q, 3a plus 1 upon aq minus a minus 1 upon whole q, aq minus 1 upon aq minus 3a minus 1 upon a. At the place of a is a, at the place of b 1 upon a, so we have to put at the place of a b at the place of b 1 upon a and a cancel, so it converts into 3. Now we will discuss the exercise. First of all, you note down all the formula in your notebook as well as on a rough page. When we solve the exercise, put the page, formula page in front of you, then we start the work. Third B or fourth B? Find out the cube of 3a minus 1 upon a cube. First of all, we write the formula a minus b whole cube equals to a cube plus b cube minus 3ab a minus b. Generally, we cannot use the. I am avoiding using the formula a plus 1 upon a whole cube, a minus 1 upon a whole cube, a plus 1 upon a whole square, a minus 1 upon a whole square. But we have to write in a Generally, I am avoiding using the formula of a plus 1 upon a whole square or a minus 1 upon a whole square, a plus 1 upon whole cube, a minus 1 upon whole cube. We given this formula for the general information. We avoid to use that formula. A minus, we are generally use a plus b whole square, a minus b whole square. I am generally using the a plus b whole square, a minus b whole square, a plus b whole cube, a minus b whole cube. It is sufficient for the solution. So 3a minus 1 upon a whole cube, we are using the formula, I am using the formula a minus b whole cube, a minus b whole cube, a cube plus b cube minus 3ab, a plus b. The given question in the form of left hand side. We have to this given question and the left hand side of the formula is same. Now we compare the formula with the given question. Now we compare the formula with given question. At the place capital A is at the place of capital A is minus 3a. At the place of capital B is 1 upon a. So now we have to put at the place of capital A 3a, at the place of capital B 1 upon a in right hand side. Then we got the answer AQ. Then we have to write 3a whole cube plus minus BQ, then 1 upon a whole cube minus 3 at the place of a 3a, at the place of b 1 upon a, then at the place of a 3a, at the place of b 1 upon a and a cancel. Cube of 3 27, a to the power 3 minus 1 a to the power 3, 3 3 ja 9 plus. First of all we have to multiply the sign, minus plus minus, then 3 3 ja 9 3 ja 27a. Now minus minus plus 3 3 ja 9 upon a. It is the required answer for question number fourth part. Now question number third is given that a square plus 1 upon a square equals to 18. Find a minus 1 upon a and aq minus 1 upon aq. Value given is a square plus 1 upon a square. So we have to, first of all we have to change a square plus 1 upon a square into a minus 1 upon a. This has the 2 power convert into 1 power. When we 2 power convert into the single power, we use the whole square formula. Now we given to find out the a minus 1 upon a square, we use the formula a minus 1 upon a whole square. जब भी आपको 2 पावर को सिंगल पावर में चेंज करना हो, simply write the whole square formula. Given value is a square plus 1 upon a square. To find out the value a minus 1 upon a minus 1 upon a whole square, simply write the formula of a minus 1 upon a whole square. At the place of a is a square. At the place of b is 1 upon a, so b square. Now minus 2ab at the place of a is a, at the place of b, a and a cancel. Now we have to put the value a minus 1 upon a whole square as it is equals to a square. Value of a square plus 1 upon a square is given 18 minus 2. Then a minus 1 upon, on removing the square, it convert into square root. So value of a minus 1 upon a is plus minus 4. Now answer is a minus 1 upon a equals to 4. It is the first part, answer of the first part. Now second part is aq minus 1 upon aq. To convert single power into cube, we use the cubing on both sides. Now on cubing on both sides, we have to do cubing on both sides. We have to do cubing on both sides. Then a minus 1 upon a whole cube equals to 4 to the power 3. aq minus bq at the place of b 1 upon aq minus 3 at the place of a at the place of b 1 upon a minus b, we have to write at the place of a at the place of b 1 upon a equals to 64. Then aq minus 1 upon aq, a and a cancel, minus 3. A minus 1 upon A, the value of A minus 1 upon A is 4. So now we have to put at the place of A minus 1 upon A 4 equals to 64. Then AQ minus 1 upon AQ minus 3 into 4 minus 12. This transferred left to right, so it converts into negative to positive. So answer is 76. Now question number 4. Given that A plus 1 upon A equals to P, and prove that, to prove AQ plus 1 upon AQ equals to P and P square minus 3. The given term having the degree 1 and to prove term having the degree 3, so degree 1 convert into 3, यानी आपको single power convert into 3 power. तो single power convert into 3 power, we use the cubing on both sides. Now solution, given that A plus 1 upon A to the power 3, we required 2A plus 1 upon A convert into AQ plus VQ. Single power will be converted into 3 power, so we have to use on cubing on both sides. We get A plus 1 upon A whole cube equals to P to the power 3. We know that the formula of A plus B whole cube, A cube at the place of B, 1 upon 3AB at the place of A at the place of B, 1 upon A, into A plus B at the place of A at the place of B, 1 upon A, equals to P to the power 3. A and A cancel. A cube 1 upon A cube may be written as 1 upon A whole cube may be written as 1 upon A to the power 3 plus 3. A plus value of A plus 1 upon A is P. So now we have to write at the place of A plus 1 upon A is P equals to PQ. Value of AQ plus 1 upon AQ is P taken as the common, then P square minus 3. It is your question number 6. Given that A plus 1 upon A whole square is equals to 3, find the prove that AQ plus 1 upon AQ equals to 0. So first of all, A plus 1 upon a whole square, with the help of A plus 1 upon a whole square equals to 3, we have to find out the value of A plus 1 upon A. So removing the square, this convert into square root. So A plus 1 upon A is equals to root 3. Now we have to find out the value of AQ plus 1 upon AQ. The single power convert into power 3. 1 degree equation convert into 3 degree equation. To 1 degree equation convert into 3 degree equation, we using the cubing on both sides. So on cubing on both sides we get. Simple याद रखिए, कम पावर को जब ज़्यादा में चेंज करना हो, सिंगल पावर कन्वर्ट इनटू स्क्वायर, तो स्क्वायरिंग ऑन बोथ साइड, और सिंगल पावर कन्वर्ट इनटू क्यूब, तो क्यूबिंग ऑन बोथ साइड, और ज़्यादा पावर को कम में कन्वर्ट करना हो तो वी हैव टू यूज़ द फॉर्मूला. इट इज़ ये सिंपल कॉन्सेप्ट याद रखिए. हायर पावर कन्वर्ट इनटू लोअर पावर, स्क्वायर कन्वर्ट इनटू सिंगल पावर, या क्यूब कन्वर्ट इनटू 1 power. So square convert into single power, we use the whole square formula. If cube convert into single power, we use cubing for cube formula. If we convert 1 into square, then square on both sides. If single power convert into cube, cubing on both sides. So single power convert into cube, so it should be cubing on both sides. Then A plus 1 upon A, cubing on both sides, A plus 1 upon A whole cube equals to root 3 to the power 3. So a plus 1 upon whole cube, a cube at the place of b, 1 upon a, so 1 upon a cube plus 3ab at the place of b, 1 upon a and a cancel, a plus b at the place of a at the place of b, 1 upon a root 3 whole cube. A cube, 1 upon a cube, a and a cancel, 3, a, value of a plus 1 upon a is root 3, so we have to write at the place of a plus 1 upon a root 3, 3 root 3, 3 root 3 transfer left to right, so convert into plus 2, plus minus cancel, answer is 0. Second, question number 7, a plus 2b plus c is equals to 0 to prove that a cube plus 8b cube plus c cube is equals to 6abc. Solution a plus b plus c is equals to 0. We can write a plus b is equals to minus c. Here degree of a is 1. In proving degree of a is 3. 2b degree of b is 1. What here degree is 3. So convert single degree, convert into cube. 1 power convert into cube root. 3 power, 1 power convert into 3 power. So we using the cubing on both sides. Cubing on both sides. On cubing on both sides, a plus b 2b whole cube or minus c whole cube. At the place of a, at the place of b, 2b. So we use the formula a cube, b cube at the place of b is 2b, the 2b whole cube, 3ab at the place of a is a, at the place of b, 2b. And a plus b at the place of a is a, at the place of b is 2b. C whole cube minus c whole cube, minus has the a, then the power is negative term having the power, odd number power, negative term having odd number power, the sign will be negative. If negative term has the even number of power, the sign will be positive. So if power is 3, it is an odd number, so it converts into minus c cube. A cube, 2b whole 2 cube, 8, b cube, 3 2 ja 6a. At the place of a plus 2b, value of a plus 2b is minus c. So we have to put at the place of a plus 2b minus c is equals to minus c cube. So minus c cube transfer from right to left, and 6 minus 6abc transfer left to right. So it convert into positive and this convert into positive. A cube plus 8b cube plus c cube is equals to 6abc. Minus c transfer right to left, convert into positive. A plus minus 6abc convert transfer from left to right, so it convert into positive. 38 whole cube minus 26 whole cube minus 12 whole cube. For this types of questions, to solve this types of the questions, we have to let first number a is equals to 38. Second number b equals to minus 26. Third number will be c equals to minus 6. After that, we have to find out the value of a plus b plus c. Then a plus b plus c at the place of a 38, at the place of b minus 26, at the place of c minus 12. 38 plus minus 26 minus 12, 38 plus 38 minus 38, 0. If a plus b plus c is equals to 0, then we have to use the formula a cube plus b cube plus c cube is equals to 3abc. सिंपली आप इस फॉर्मूले को तभी यूज कर सकते हैं जब a प्लस बी प्लस सी इज इक्वल्स टू 0. इफ a प्लस बी प्लस सी इज इक्वल्स टू 0, देन वी हैव टू यूज द फॉर्मूला a क्यूब प्लस b क्यूब प्लस c क्यूब इज इक्वल्स टू 3abc. If a plus b plus c does not equals to 0, we cannot use that formula. This formula only applicable when if a plus b plus c, value of a plus b plus c will be 0. So if here a plus b plus c is 0, so we can be use this formula a cube plus b cube plus c cube is equals to 3abc. Now we have to put at the place of a 38, at the place of b minus 26, at the place of c minus 12. 38 whole cube plus at the place of b minus 26 whole cube at the place of c minus 12 whole cube is equals to 3, at the place of a 38, at the place of b 26, at the place of c minus 12. Minus plus, if we multiply 3 into 38 into 26 into 12, we got the answer 35568. Given that, going question number 10, a minus 1 upon a equals to 4, a square, to find out the value of a square plus 1 upon a square, a4, a cube minus 1 upon a cube. To here given value is a minus 1 upon a, degree of the given equation is 1, जो आपकी जो value given है ये degree 1 की है. It has the single power converting to 2. We already discussed about it. If the single power converted to 2 power, we use the squaring on both sides. So we have to use on squaring on both sides. We get a minus 1 upon a whole square equals to 4 to the power 2. A square, a plus b whole, a minus b whole square, a square plus b square at the place of b, 1 upon a, minus 2ab at the place of a and at the place of b, 1 upon a is equals to 16. So value of a square plus 1 upon a square is equals to 16 plus 2 implies that a square plus 1 upon a square equals to 80. It is your answer of first part. Now we have to require the answer, second part is a to the power 4 and 1 upon a to the power 4. One power directly does not convert, one single power term directly does not convert into 4 power term. To convert 1 power into 4 power, first of all we have to single power term convert into square term, 2 per degree of 2, and degree of 2 equation convert into degree of 4. Then a square plus 1 upon a square convert into a to the power 4 on again squaring on both sides. Again squaring on both sides. So we have to use a square plus 1 upon a square is equals to 18 square. So at the place of a is a square, then a square, to a square whole square, b square at the place of b, 1 upon a square, then b square plus 2 at the place of a square, at the place of b, b square. Now we have to using the formula a plus b whole square, it is a it is a b, a square, then a square whole square, b 1 upon a square whole square, 2ab, 2 at the place of a square, at the place of b, 1 upon a square. This and this cancel, square root of 18, 324. Then a to the power 4 plus 1 square 1, a square, a to the power 4. This 2 transferred left hand side to right hand side, so plus convert into minus, answer is 322. For third part, a minus 1 upon a will be converted into a cube plus 1 upon a cube. The degree of 1 equation has the degree of 1, but we have to convert into 3 to degree equation of degree 1 convert into 3. We have to use on cubing on both sides. Single power को आपको 3 power में convert करना है. So we have to, simple method is on cubing on both sides. We get a minus 1 upon a whole cube is equals to 4 to the power 3. Then a minus b whole cube at the place of a, और ये हो गया b. Formula of a minus b whole cube is a cube minus b cube minus 3ab and a minus b. Now we have to put at the place of capital A, small a, at the place of capital B, small 1 upon a. So 1a to the power 3 minus 1 upon a to the power 3 minus 3a at the place of b, 1 upon a, and a minus 1 upon a equals to 4 to the power 3 is equals to 64. This and this cancel, is equals to a to the power 3 minus 1 upon a to the power 3 minus 3. Value of a minus 1 upon a is 4, is equals to 64. then AQ minus 1 upon AQ is equals to 64. This minus 12 convert into plus 12 is equals to 76. It is your required answer. 12, the value is given that 2x minus 3y is equals to 2x minus 3y is equals to 10 and xy is equals to 16. We have to find out the value of 8x cube minus 27 by q. The given equation has the degree 1. To find the equation, to find out the value of 8x cube, this has the degree 1 and this has the degree 2. इसकी आपकी सिंगल पावर टर्म है, इसको आपको कन्वर्ट करना है 3 पावर टर्म में. So single power term will be converted into 3 power term by cubing on both sides. So we have 2x minus 3y is equals to 2, 10. So on cubing on both sides, 2x minus 3y whole cube is equals to 10 to the power 3. Formula of a minus b whole cube, a cube at the place of a, 2x at the place of b, 2b. A cube, then 2x whole cube. After that, minus b cube at the place of b, 3y. Then minus 3 at the place of a, 2x, 3ab at the place of a, 2x at the place of b, 3y. And a minus b at the place of x, 2x. At the place of y minus 3y equals to 10 to the power 3, 1000. Then 2x to the power 3 is equals to 8x cube. It may be written as 3 to the power 3, 27y cube. 3 2 ja 6, 3 ja 18 minus 18 xy. But at the place of xy we have to put 16. At the place of 2x minus 3y we have to put 10 is equals to 1 0 0 0. So value of 8x cube minus 27y cube is equals to 1000. This convert into plus 18 into 16. Then 18 into 16 into 10 is 2880 minus 2880 transfer to that side. So convert into 2880. Answer is 3880. Minus 5y minus 2z, 3x minus 5y plus 2z. 3x positive, 3x positive. 5y positive, 5y negative. Negative, 5y negative, negative, and 2z has negative, but here is positive. We see that in the first bracket and second bracket 3x and minus 5y having the same sign, but 2z has having the different sign. The term which have the same sign denoted by letter A and the term which have the opposite sign denoted by letter B. Similarly, same sign A, different sign B. In both bracket 3x are positive, 5y negative. So they have both positive, positive, negative, negative. 3x minus 5y having the same sign in bracket first and bracket second. So both are denoted by letter B. 2z here is negative and here is positive. The term which have the different sign in first bracket and second bracket denoted by letter B. जिस टर्म के साइन सेम हो दोनों ब्रैकेट में उसे लेट करिए ए, और जिस टर्म के साइन अपोजिट हो दोनों ब्रैकेट में उसे लेट करिए बी. सो नाउ इट इज ए देन माइनस बी. इट कन्वर्ट, ये हो गया आपका ए माइनस बी एंड दिस ए प्लस बी. सो ए माइनस बी एंड ए प्लस बी इज ए स्क्वायर माइनस बी स्क्वायर. सो नाउ वी हैव टू पुट एट द प्लेस ऑफ ए 3x minus 5y square. Now minus at the place of b is 2z and 2z square. Now open a minus b whole square, a square at the place of a 3x plus b square at the place of b 5y minus 2ab minus 2z 9x square plus 25y square. 2 3 ja 6, 5 ja 30xy minus 4z. It is your required answer. Now question number 15 is given that The difference between the two positive number is 5. The difference between the two negative number is 5. Let the difference between the two positive number is 5. So first of all we have to write let the two positive number be x and y. Given that the difference between the two positive number is 5, so x minus y is equals to 5, equation number 1. And the product of two number is 24, then x y is equals to 24. Find the sum of two positive number x plus y. Difference of two positive cube of two positive number x cube minus y cube. Sum of the two positive number, sum of the cube of two positive number x cube plus y cube. Again, just given that the difference between the two positive number is 5, let the two positive number be x and y. So difference is x minus y is equals to 5, x is greater than y. And the product of the two number is 24, so that x into y is equals to 24. Find sum of the two positive number x plus y to be find out x plus y. And difference between the cube of the two positive number, the cube x cube and y cube, difference be minus. Sum of the cube of the two positive number, the cube is x cube and y cube, sum is plus. Solution, given that x minus y is equals to 5, x y is equals to 5, x plus y is equals to 5. First of all, revise the all formula. We select the formula which contain x minus y, x y and x plus y. The formula is x plus y whole square plus x minus y whole square is equals to 4xy. Given that value of x minus y is equals to 5, x y is equals to 24, we have to find out x plus y at first, second, third. We see on the page of formula, the formula which contain all these three terms, x minus y, xy and x plus y. First of all, we have to select the formula which contain x minus y, xy and x plus y. Formula is x plus y whole square, x minus y whole square is equals to 4xy. Now we have to put x plus y whole square, same as, because we have to find x plus y, we have to find out. Then plus value of x minus y is given, so now we have to put at the place of x minus y 5 and equals to 4 at the place of xy is 24. Then x plus y whole square is equals to 96. This 5 square converting to negative 25. 6 minus 5 1, 8 minus 2 9 minus 2 78. Then x plus y is equals to under root 78. Formula x plus y, we have to use the formula x plus y ka whole square minus x minus y ka whole square is equals to 4xy. Now we have to put at the place of x plus y whole square, we have to find out the value of x plus y. So we have copy as it is, x plus y ka whole square, copy as it is, x plus y whole square, then minus x minus y 5 square, then 4 into 24. This minus convert into plus, then 96 plus 25 is 121. Then x plus y is equals to under root 121. Answer is 11. Then x plus y is equals to 11. Now we have to find out the value of x cube minus y cube and x cube plus y cube. To find out the value of x cube minus y cube, we have to use the value x minus y is equals to 5. X minus y is equals to 5. We require the value of x cube minus y cube. This 1 power convert into 3. So convert into 1 power into 3 on cubing on both sides. Then x minus y whole cube is equals to 5 to the power 3. Formula of x cube minus y cube, x cube minus y cube. minus 3xy into x minus y is equals to 125. Then x cube minus y cube at the place of xy is equals to 24. So we have to put at the place of xy 24, at the place of x minus y 5 is equals to 125. Then x cube minus y cube is equals to 125 minus converting to plus 120 into 3, 360. Answer is 485. To find out the value of x cube plus y cube, we have to use value of x plus y. X plus y is equals to 11. Again on cubing on both sides, then x plus y whole cube is equals to 11 to the power 3. Formula of x cube plus y cube, x cube plus y cube 3xy into x plus y. Value of 11 to the power 3, 1331. X cube plus y cube plus 3 at the place of x y 24, x plus y 11, 1331. X cube plus y cube is equals to 1331 plus converting to minus 33 into 24, 792, 11 minus 2, 9, 2, 12 minus 9, 3, and 12 minus 7, 5, 539. Thank you. Now we are